Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a busy day. Today we gotta fix the exhaust leaks on this Accord. This was my sister's Accord and I previously sold this to her friend. So yeah, it just has a few exhaust leaks on it. I figured I'd fix that before I give it to him. We need this car to pass E-check, and it's been giving me the 420 code, and it does have two, not massive leaks, but definitely you can notice it. So we're gonna fix it. So we're gonna be fixing that right now, and then after this, well, we're gonna be installing a full 3-inch exhaust on the Accord. We're gonna be installing a full 3-inch exhaust on the Accord. I'm really excited, man. I love the two-step, how it sounds right now with the side exhaust. I love how it sounds, but it's too much. Like when you open the door, all you smell is fumes. I don't want to smell like fumes. So, like I said in the previous video, I'm not gonna repeat it. Like I said in the previous video, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. I got 3-inch to a off-brand vibrant muffler. So let's see how it sounds. So yeah, so I'm gonna be getting this done right now. I'll pick it right back up once I get the Accord back in here. So, alright guys, so we're under the Accord right now. We are looking at the exhaust. Original plan was I was going to start over there with 3-inch. But it doesn't really make much of a difference. I'm just gonna cut it right here, and I'll start right here 3-inch. So I'll do the adapter right here. I'm gonna bend it towards over there. I want the exhaust coming out my side of the car, so it's gonna be going out the left side instead of the rear. Another idea I did have was I was gonna cut each individual J pipe over there. The original idea was I was gonna go from each down pipe and do one separate pipe and do a true dual exhaust, but I'm not trying to do all that right now. So I think right now the perfect thing is cut it right here. This is 2.5. I'll do 2.5 to 3-inch all the way to the back and to a vibrant replica muffler. I'm kind of curious how that's gonna sound. We're gonna find out. But yeah, for right now I'm gonna cut this off, and I'll pick it up once I take off this exhaust and I start welding the other parts to it. Alright guys, so this is currently our exhaust. This is currently the exhaust. I have it all up in the jack. I'll show you my welds. I don't care. I'm not professional. It should not leak. Hopefully not. Like I said, I'm not professional. I don't care, but hey, we're making it work. I have a 3-inch that's gonna go from right here to like, alright, there's a better angle. So the exhaust is gonna come from right here. It's gonna go 3-inch. This is like, I don't know, I have like an 8-inch or 9-inch pipe. It's gonna go to like right here, and then I'm gonna angle it to where it's gonna go towards over here, and then it's gonna go towards my driver's side over there. So yeah, I figured I'd pick up the camera, because if not, I'm going to forget to pick up the camera and update you guys. So yeah, this is what I got on so far. I'll pick it up once I get another part of the exhaust on, at least up to right here. Alright guys, so this is like the next day. We have had a bit of a delay on the Accord. Instead, we had to go back to the other Accord. We were driving it, and the flex pipe just gave out, so yeah, I thought my welds were bad. I was like, damn, did I do that bad of a job welding? I mean, I know I'm not the best at welding. I can connect pipes together, but which they probably don't look the best, but they work. But yeah, I was just hearing the car like leak really bad out of the exhaust when I was driving. I'm like, wow. And I hit a bump, and for sure, my exhaust ended up falling on the floor. So yeah, that was a long night yesterday. I had to take apart this whole exhaust. All over again. Re-weld over here, re-weld over there. Because when it fell, it messed up the piping. It didn't want to go on like how it used to. The hangers were bent. So yeah, I had to redo all that. Which meant I had to push out the Accord, drive it open headers, because I have the exhaust right here in pieces. Which this connects to the J pipe back here, and this is going to go to the axle back. Yeah, I'm debating if I'm gonna put a V-band on that or not, so let's see. So yeah, it's just how it is. I want to work on my Civic. I told my dad I want to work on my Civic this week, and sure you know it, this ended up happening. And the Accord I wanted to do the exhaust because I'm tired of it being in the passenger side and me smell like fumes, like I've always said. So yeah, I'm about to put on this exhaust right now for the Accord, and well, we're gonna put in the gray Accord, and well, we're gonna put in the gray Accord once again, and hopefully we can finish this exhaust because man, this thing is loud, like super loud. I know my neighbors hate me when I cold started it this morning. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's put this back on and we'll put on the Accord. Alright, so we got the exhaust back on. Looks pretty good. For what the car is just gonna be a first car for somebody. It's already not perfect. So having a DIY exhaust isn't gonna hurt it. Don't mind that O2 sensor just being loose right there. I cut the wires on it. I got the new O2 sensor coming in. That one's bad, so I just wanted to have something in it, and I just wanted something in the exhaust so I can test it, see if it's quiet for any leaks, and I can move the car and not be crazy loud. So yeah, that'll be the end of this part of the video. So let's get back to the Accord. Before the exhaust, let's do some downshifts here a little bit. Downshifts, down third, why not? And I'm gonna miss this part of the exhaust too. Sounds so good. Alright guys, my bad for looking like a mess. It's been a while since I picked up the camera. Yeah, let's show you what I did. Alright, so this is the exhaust of the Accord right now. I didn't touch nothing from here back. I've only touched from the glass pipe back. So what I did was I did a 2.5 to 3 inch to the V-band, to this hanger right here. Doing it right this time. I usually always get lazy at this point. I strap this thing around here somewhere, or there's those few people that that would ratchet strap this or do something ghetto than just roll the hanger. So yeah, I actually did it right this time. I feel like every time I weld, it's like leveling up. Yes, I know it's not the prettiest. I'm gonna be transparent. Look, it's not the prettiest. Honestly, it's not. But what I do know is it doesn't leak. I've started it up. Nothing leaks around here. Everything's all good. We'll see about this. See if it holds up. It should hold up, no problem. Walls back here look ugly, but like I said, it's all working good. We have this. We have a 2.5 to 3 inch straight all the way back. So far, I'm still missing the vibrant part of the back, the vibrant replica. So I'm also still missing the back part of the muffler. I still gotta weld that in, but this is what I got so far. I figured I would end the video off like this, showing you the whole exhaust. For now, this is how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get better. Like I said, I'm being transparent. You only get more better as the more you do it. So yeah, still ugly, but you should have seen my welds 2 years ago. There were big bubbles, and yeah. Now, and it's like, I also don't get the chance to weld every single day neither. So 2 years, it doesn't look the best, but this is like, I'll weld for 1 day, no weld for like another month, weld for 1 day, probably weld next week. That's just how it is, always like that. I'm pretty sure if I were to do a week straight of just straight welding, I would get this thing down. I mean, I'm already getting the hang of the stick welder already, so I think it'll be good. downshift to second gear. This thing just spun. I mean, it's now starting to rain, so 100%. This thing will light up second like nothing. On a cold day, it'll spin first and second. Speed up. Less raspy. Sounds actually really good with a 3-inch. Yeah, as you see, it's snowing now. See, it's snowing right now. Cleveland is that bipolar. Yeah, it's that bipolar. Got a few clips of me driving in the snow. Alright guys, so if you made it to this part of the video, drop a like, subscribe, and comment. Let's give you a cold start before we end the video. Alright, let's give her a nice cold start. Nice and cold. It's like 4 degrees. If you made it to this part of the video, drop a like, subscribe, drop a comment, and it's cold. Let's get to work.